Hi guys, and welcome back to the Ghalis. Woo!
Hello everyone, welcome to the Ghalis.
Welcome our precious hearts.
So before we start, if you're new or coming back, definitely welcome and welcome to the Ghalis. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, share, recommend our channel, and always welcome to the precious heart community. Yes, so today we are
So fast.
So today we are having some good food. That's all.
Whatever this is.
Yeah, eggs, some leftover kofta, guacamole, shredded chicken. I don't know why, but it's also good. Some low carb tortillas, some turkey, some cheese on the side, and some other cheese on the side. And jalapenos. Also, coffees. That's her cup. Yes, her Cancun cup. She used to open it and she's using it. Yes.
Thank you, Tammy. Thank you, Aziz.
Yes. Just briefly updates on our channel. We at the moment we are talking with y'all right now. We're filming. It is 245 subscribers. Yay!
So excited.
So we are going in a good pace.
Going in a good direction too.
Good direction, good pace. Thank you so much, everyone who joined us. We definitely appreciate y'all. So we'll start in the beginning.
Yes.
Did you took my tortillas?
What?
You took my tortillas, right?
What tortillas?
Or whatever.
You wanted these?
No, I'm joking. Yeah, she took my tortillas, y'all.
The eggs are delicious.
Okay. Why don't you like? Okay. So I'm a messy eater. I know. I say this too much. So I like to make a combination. Sometimes it does well, sometimes not. It depends on the type of food. It goes out well, sometimes not. And for you, my sis, Shadia.
Oh Lord.
You can't, yes, you keep saying you can't take in the loss, but it's your problem, sis. You, I don't know what to say. You talk too much, sis. You don't eat it. So that's the problem. And also you need to choose. If you know how to eat it, or you can eat it, then eat it. If you don't keep talking smack and at the end lose. Anyway, we love you, so, and I'm gonna always tease you, so it doesn't matter what you're gonna do.
This is what family does.
Yes, so.
Yeah, but you're right, girl. I can't let him win anymore.
What are you talking about? Your husband. Yeah, I'm planning to do the tangerine one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I want to do it. I'm trying to get it, but I didn't have no chance to do it yet.
I don't think he'll succeed in that one because he's got really big fingers and hands.
Oh yeah.
So.
But eating it's so fast because.
Just one.
Yep. Must lose in peeling the. Oh.
Got you.
Mm-hmm.
I'm done now.
What?
Yeah.
Now, they will not believe you because of the shrimp video.
Oh. That was a special circumstance.
Mm-hmm.
I love me some shrimp. But I'm sick and tired of eggs. I'm seriously tired of eggs. And on keto, it's okay, eggs.
I asked you what you want to eat. You said eggs.
No, you asked me what we have, and I said we have eggs.
And also, what did you ask in the end? You said like, okay, yeah, I'll make eggs. So
Because I get tired of like trying to figure out what I want to eat. There's nothing outside that like really I can eat. So I'm like, oh, forget it. Let's just make eggs and I'll find something. But yeah, no bueno. I mean, the eggs are delicious. They're nice and fluffy and creamy, but
I think by the time you see this video, you will know what I'm talking about. The shrimp the shrimp video.
How's the meat? Did you like it?
Good. For whatever the reason, she's able to eat shrimp and crawfish a lot.
Yep. Everything else not so much, but shrimp and crawfish, that's my jam. And I think too because I ate like too much the other night, and so oh, that's a piece of the meat.
What?
I thought there was like a hair or something, but it's a piece of the meat. Yeah, so anyway, y'all, I'm tired. It's like the weather's changing. It's supposed to rain. My body's hurting. I wanted to stay in bed all day. Excuse me. Excuse me. Wow.
It's killing me.
I'm scared myself.
So how are y'all doing? How is your day going?
Oh, I hope your day is good.
What?
So this will be dropped. So happy Tuesday, y'all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember.
You don't have to keep.
Yeah. No, I was gonna say remember the 5th of November.
Oh, okay.
No. But there's lots of people, there's new people comes in, so that's what I'm saying. Okay, briefly, these videos are taped 2 to 3 days before the posting day.
Yes.
Yes.
And the main reason, because I'm sick half the time, and I have to film when I'm okay.
Yes.
Like today, I'm not okay, but I'm like, you know what? Let's do it. I mean, I'm okay, but it's just like my mood is setting in.
Yep. Especially when the weather changes and we are about to expect rain, that affects her a lot.
Guys, send in y'all's questions so we could do a Q&A.
Oh yes, please.
Yeah, anything you want to know about us.
Love it.
Love you too.
The chicken is really good.
Good.
But need tacos stuff.
Yeah, well, I dried it out for you because I know you don't like wet chicken.
Gotcha. Yeah.
So I dried it out a little. No, I don't like it. Because it's not wet enough.
It's good, actually.
I know. But anyway. I tell you, we're so like compatible, but we're so not at the same time. It's very weird. In the sense that we don't agree much on anything. Like even tastes Now, I do like the clothes that he picks out for me. He'll go shopping, or he used to go shopping without me. And,
I still do.
yeah,
Sometimes.
he still do. But, like, clothes shopping for me.
Sometimes.
And he'll come back with really, really cute stuff. And it fit perfectly.
The only thing at this moment, recently,
he doesn't know my size anymore.
no more, yeah, because her size changes every day. She could be today X large, could be tomorrow large, could be tomorrow double X. I'm just like, I don't know what, and you know, the only thing that used to be, was bigger size. Most of the time, it was a set size. Like I was.
Mm-hmm. And as long as it was like cotton, like stretchy, I fit in it.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it was still loose enough. You know, it was comfortable.
Let me tell you something. I mean, I am so much thankful for God that she lost lots of weight and she is able to go. However, it affects me so bad that every place she wants to pop out, supposedly she would pop in again in the car within 5 minutes. That's always, and the problem is like every time she lied the same lie. I mean, we don't lie.
He's so gullible. He's so gullible.
We don't lie. It just she keeps saying the same sentence. Honey, I'm just gonna pop out, okay? And I'll pop in like within 5-10 minutes. I kid you not. There is no time. There is no to go to any store. It doesn't matter the store. It cannot be 10 minutes. It has to be at least 30. The only place that she doesn't go that 5 to 10 minutes is the convenience store. Sometimes she stays 10 minutes in the convenience store. That's the only place that she could really stay 5 to 10 minutes.
At the corner store, yeah.
Yeah.
Because I don't know what to get, and I'm looking at everything, seeing if it's keto, seeing how many sugars, carbohydrates. Like at the stores, I really have to look.
The one that I prefer to never send her there by herself, Walmart. Oh my God.
And Goodwill.
Yeah. Walmart and Goodwill, literally, she can stay in these two stores hours and hours walking.
And it feels like only a couple seconds. It feels like very quickly to me.
I love you.
It does. It's like I enter in time.
I am not kidding. Hours and hours. She can spend hours and hours in these two stores.
Mm-hmm. But I walk in and it's like time stops for me. It's like, oh, it's like a parallel universe. It's like I just go in and I transform.
And she have to try and look on each section.
That's right. If you don't look in each section, you miss something.
But not each section we need it.
No, but what if there's something cool out? They got a rollback. Something's on clearance. Always. And I gotta find it. But you get good stuff, right?
That's her response each time.
He does get good stuff. He doesn't mind if I'm shopping like for him.
No, you know I hate shopping anyway.
I got you a really good coffee maker. The
Yeah.
Keurig.
Okay, so. But because I was with you, we didn't spend lots of time.
I know, rude. I used to like it when you worked like a 9-to-5 job because when you would go, I would drop you off.
What 9 to 5? You mean
At the
9
bank.
to 9?
Yeah. We used to. Who's that? Oh, that's the thing.
When you have the car, you don't want to go anywhere.
What car?
My car. You never asked me, do you want to go in some place? I will take you. The problem is like you want to spend times and times alone.
Exactly.
Yeah, she
Look,
like.
I don't get my feet done. I don't get my nails done. I don't buy expensive jewelry. I don't buy expensive.
What? You don't forget your feet at the.
Every
She
now
does.
and
She. Okay, so I don't. Wait. You're gonna misunderstand that. So she breaks them a lot. So with her choice, she doesn't like to go that much. Right? Or I'm wrong.
You're wrong. You're always gonna be wrong. But I love you.
She.
Shut your face.
Easily. Mm-hmm. Yeah, sure.
No. I get annoyed very quickly with nails, and so from one week to the next, I start pulling them off. And they're expensive nails. They're not like the cheapy deepy nails, like, you know, they're super expensive. $80 to $100, like nail for nails. I consider expensive. That's like, whoa. And I put like the little rhinestones and all that. You know, like how Beloved has hers. You know, I normally do that with mine and get them real cute and everything.
Yeah.
So now to save me some time and some money, I like go to Dollar Tree. I go to Dollar Tree. Lay Tree.
Okay.
Because he's going to start talking smack. And I get me some Sara Lee or Sally Hansen press-ons. Put them bad boys on. They last a day. I rip them off and I'm good. So if you ever see me with nails one day, they're press-ons. And if you see it pop off, it's because they're press-ons too. I know one time I was filming a video, a cooking video. And 1 minute I had like really cute nails. They were like black and leopard print. And then in the second half of the video, they were gone. Because I was like, I can't work with these. I can't cook with this. Because, you know, it's like you're cooking and you're standing over the fire. They start to melt and it's just not quality nails. So, yeah.
Whew. I'm good.
You didn't even eat.
What? I ate a lot.
But you didn't even eat the eggs.
I don't want eggs.
I only made, this is only 4 eggs, y'all.
Yeah, I'm eating wooden eggs. I did not ask for eggs today, so just to keep it clear, you the one said we have eggs. I didn't ask for eggs.
You asked what we had. I said we had eggs.
I love you.
You should have been like, oh no, darling, I don't want eggs. Beautiful, precious. Hayati, I don't want eggs.
Habibti, I don't want eggs.
Shut up. Too late.
Yes.
Ida.
Not nice. No.
It's okay. I love you.
I love you too.
We'll give it to Zara. She loves eggs.
Okay, anyway. Okay, guys. We hope you guys have a wonderful day.
Yeah. Happy
By the time
Tuesday.
this comes on, will be Tuesday, so happy Tuesday.
Oh, and we might use this for Taco Tuesday also, so we don't know. Because this is just fresh.
That will be posted on Wednesday or Thursday or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I was gonna say, I think we will, I don't know, post again some time during the day. I don't think it's succeeding on the night.
You don't think so?
No.
We're still filling it out, y'all. Like, sometimes it's like we get really good response in the morning.
Do you know what plus what time she posts? She posts 7:30 in the morning.
I know.
I don't know.
I can't.
When she wake up and she posted, that's a little too early. Like, unless they have it set on timer, just to go on.
Don't ask me to do that, because by 5 o'clock I'm asleep.
No, I'm driving, but
I know, but I'm saying like with my insomnia, I'm barely going to sleep at 5.
I think we're gonna start to aim again for maybe 10 or 11 a.m. Maybe we'll try that for a while and see what effects we'll have. I'll try 10 a.m. 10 or 11.
You gonna post it? Cause
yeah, I mean you could just done it. Babe, 11 a.m. we are here eating. What you talking about?
Then I'll be busy.
Yeah, I could post it. You're just gonna do it the night before and as usual.
Like always.
Uh-huh.
You heard that shade? Did you get covered?
What?
Did you get covered with shade? Because I said like I always do it.
Yeah, I appreciate that. So what's your point?
My point is you're welcome.
Thank you. Stay in your lane.
Ooh, it's fighting words.
Nita, feisty.
Anyway. Feisty. That's a spicy meatball.
Yeah, so you're already gonna be seeing that. So, but for future videos, I think we'll try.
Look for us on Tuesday. We'll post on Tuesday. Look for us on Tuesday.
Yeah, we'll start try 11 a.m. when we are together in the morning. So we'll see what effect we'll take.
We'll see. Anyway,
hope you guys have a wonderful, good morning Tuesday.
A good Tuesday.
Yeah, by the time we see this one, good Tuesday. Enjoy your day. Hope you have a wonderful time. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified, share, recommend our channel, and please don't forget the questions you want us to answer, please. So we can do this as soon as possible. Also, welcome to the Ghalis and our precious heart community.
Yes.
The Ghalis are out.
Oh.
First. One more time.
Sending you SOS.
Awesome. Bye, y'all.